Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you how to do this puppet effect I did in my show and tell collab part. You will need Motion V2 for this tutorial. I'm sure you can do this another way without it, but this is just the easiest way to do it. Okay, so I already have her masked out because that took too much time. So mask out your subject, and we're going to put the anchor point at the bottom, and we're going to make our first animation, or keyframe animation. So we're going to have this go down. And it's important that we do this first because we have to move the arms separately. So we're going to hit F9 and edit the value graph, which is this one up here. So we'll do a ramp like this. That's good. Alright, next we're going to do the arm movements. So, this just happens to be a really good clip for this effect. It might be a little bit difficult to find another one that'll work well with this effect, but it's not impossible. So, I'm going to duplicate this layer twice. I'm going to mask out her arm on this side, kind of where it cuts off with her glove. Let me just hide these two layers on the bottom, just so I make sure I'm getting the right. Oops. There we go. So on the second mask, you do subtract inverted. And then we're going to need to do the same for the other side. There we go. Go into mask, subtract, inverted. So this is going to be tricky because this is going to show the mask that is under, well, not the mask, the original underneath, so we're going to need to mask those out as well. So what I'm going to do is turn those layers both off, and then mask out the arms again, but this time on the main layer. So let's see what we need to... Oh! Sorry if you can hear anything. My family does not know how to be quiet. Alright. Oh! That's a shape layer. I'm going to do that again for this arm. And we're going to subtract it. Here we go. And that adds the arms back. So when you get here, we're going to put, this is very important, we're going to put our anchor point hold on, right here. Oops, I did that a little bit wrong, but we can fix this. Go to the position, no, the scale for both of these, and turn it off at this very point, and then have them parent to this track here. And then we're going to move this here, and move the other one there. There we go. Now they aren't fucking up. Okay, so we're going to pull up the R rotation for these. We're going to have one go this way, and the other one go the other way. And then we're just going to take this keyframe we have here and then clone it. And that's our character rig. I'm gonna highlight all those and I'm gonna try this one and see how it looks. Yeah, that's the one I used. It kind of looks like a dolly kind of effect. Like, oh, I'm a doll. Dolls don't talk, but yeah, that's what they would say. Next, this is optional. If you want to cover up this like rough edge, you can put a bolt or some kind of circle on it. It doesn't really matter. There we go. I'll also parent this to the bottom layer that moves, that has the scale on it. We're gonna scale that down. You can make it big like this so it covers it all, or small, it doesn't matter. Both work. So yeah, it already looks like she's a toy doll. Now to add the lines, we're going to put a null object at the very top of the screen. So we'll put it up here. This is going to be like the cradle thing that holds all the strings. And we're going to create one. We're going to control, select these two, and then hit the rope. So that creates our first rope, and then we'll hold it again and do the second node, and put the rope. And we'll create another one. This time I'm going to move it, not move it over. This time I'm actually going to duplicate this null and move it over to the side, and then create a rope. And you can repeat this step as many times as you want, but I think 2 is enough. And then just open the position and just play around, like have that go over there, have that go over there. And maybe when it starts doing its crazy movements, you offset it off to there and move that to the side. And do like the same kind of easy ease. Well, let me see how this always does. Let's just match them up with the timing of these keyframes. Yeah, that looks cool. And I also did a head movement, which is up to you if you want to do. I can do that for you guys real quick. Let me just duplicate the bottom layer. I'm going to turn it off for a second. And you see how this has a choker, so you can easily hide the cutoff point. Oh my god. Okay. Subtract, invert. There we go. And of course, we have to do that again on the main layer. I'm going to turn off this layer that has just the head, just so we can see her head disappear. Subtract. There we go. And we can fix this so this line isn't showing up. There we go. Then we'll rock the head. Oops, we need to put the... turn the scale off, point it to this, and then we can move the anchor point to right here. There we go. And then we're going to align those with the other ones. And we're going to reset the last one. There we go. And there you go, you get like a little dolly effect. That's pretty much it for this effect. It's kind of like an introduction into animation or animating characters. I'm learning a little bit about that now for school, so there might be some more tutorials on it. We'll see. But yeah, if you have any requests, let me know, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.